Welcome guys, Frank is back and now we got a new year, so it's time for a new project. Sorry guys, new project. The new project is not a Crown Police Interceptor, it's a motorcycle. As you can see in the background, this will be my new project for the next weeks and I will explain it a little bit. This is a former Britain brand since decades, built in India. It's a Royal Enfield. Why a Royal Enfield motorcycle? I took part in a motorcycle group 2 or 3 years ago in the south of India. I drove 2,000 kilometers, that's roughly 1,300, 400 miles through the south of India, like Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and I liked it and I like the motorcycle. I did it on a Enfield Bullet. And so I get an offer, and I was a little bit surprised that I get this offer to get a cheap Enfield Himalayan with a front damage, and I decide to build it up and I will show you what I did. First, I will explain where I am. I'm in Frank's garage here. Sorry, US and Canadian guys. German garages are a little bit smaller, so welcome in my tiny garage, a little bit smaller than your garages, and I did tiny up so you can see some bicycles here from my family and my tools also, and in one of the corner here of my garage is my new project, and now I will show you. This is 75% of an Enfield Himalayan motorcycle, and you can see there's no fork in, there's no steering stem in, and yeah, I dismounted these parts and I will explain what I will do and what I dismounted. So the front wheel is not here in the garage. I've got it in my cellar. So you can see the forks. The forks, I dismounted the forks, and you can see here they are not straight anymore, they are cracked or crocked. And also you can see here the steering stem is a little bit out of the good quality, and also the right front fender or pannier holder or whatever, and also the steer and some other things like the headlamp and so on. And yeah, what I will show you today is that I found a thing that is not well maintained or not well constructed. When you see the front rack, it's a rack here on both sides where you can put some jerry cans or some bags, and during I dismounted this one, I made or I found something I want to show you. When you get a punch on a side on these front fender or front rack, you've got also the lower thing here where it's mounted. It's gonna be inside, and what is not good, the headlamp is mounted not on the main cockpit holder here. It's mounted directly at the front rack. That means when you get a punch here on it, your front headlamp will be damaged, and you can see it here. The punch goes directly into the headlamp. So why they constructed it a little bit in the other way, it's not good, but this is only an exception, I think, or I've seen. It's a good bike, by the way. It has 410 ccm at 24 horsepower. It's not a fast bike, but I will try it on some gravel roads or so on. So guys, that's all for today here out of Frank's garage. You can see the rest of the Enfield Himalayan here in the back, and also the parts I've dismounted. And I ordered some spare parts. By the way, the best and cheapest parts here in Germany you can buy directly on eBay. They're coming from some guys, so directly from India. So some greetings to India here. And you got it after 7 or 10 days. So thanks for watching. And when you're interested in, let's switch to part 2 when it's online. And then I will show you how I mount the new spare parts I've got for that bike. And I hope that everything will fit and that is not a bad buy. It was cheap and I have to put some spare parts in, and when it's fit everything, I've got a cheap bike what is running well, hopefully. Thanks guys, and waiting for part 2.